Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Kate. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Today we are going to be learning how to use a hobby laser. This machine in particular is called the Muse. We are making bookmarks for the library out of a piece of balsa wood. This took about 2 hours to complete. First, click the switch on the side of the machine to turn it on, make sure the air assist and vent are also on, and start your computer, which should be connected to the Retina Engrave software. Load your project into the software's main grid by connecting a flash drive to your computer with the project on it. The project should be a PDF for a vector and/or a JPEG for a raster. We are cutting out rectangles and small circles, which requires a vector file, and then engraving images and text, which requires a raster file. The vector settings were 30 speed, 65 power, 100 current, and 1 pass. If we click over to the raster settings, those were 500 by 500 dpi with 65 power, 100 speed, 225 threshold. The green rectangles around the edges mean that we are within the proper bounds of the machine. If they were red, it would say that we are out of bounds, and an error message would show and not allow us to start the machine. The Muse has a honeycomb bed, which is where we will lay our piece of wood down. If the wood is warped, then try using some painter's tape and taping down the edges to the honeycomb bed. To the right on the machine is a touch screen where we can run the perimeter to check and make sure the laser head will not run off the piece of wood. We also use the arrow keys to move the gantry and focus the laser to the material with what is called a focus billet. If the laser is too close or too far away from the material, it will not cut or etch properly. Here again is what it looks like when we jog the perimeter. now we can finally start the job. The machine usually starts to engrave and then to cut afterwards. Once the laser has turned off, open the lid and take out the wooden board, then all of the pieces that were left behind. And there you have it, some customized bookmarks which will last for a long time.
We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.